Boy, we love a party. But I know the I Love Soca team worked hard to ensure it was a safe environment, so kudos to them. I wonder when is the next one?
I'm sure soon, but while we wait for that announcement, here's the Intense 5. If you're a tennis fan, then Grand Slam singles champion Naomi Osaka has her own line of Barbie dolls. It's a part of Mattel's strategy to introduce diversity to the brand. Better late than never, right?
Yeah, I always wanted a Barbie that looked like me. Facts. Never found one. Spice has pushed back the release of her album to coincide with her birthday on August 6th. So, look out for 10, executively produced by Shaggy.
Pray for Cuba. Cubans have taken to the streets to protest lack of food and other necessities. They say they are tired of the treatment, especially since the pandemic started. Persons were arrested during the protest, but no response yet from the government. Oh boy.
My crew, yes, especially Delroy, will be happy to hear that Dream Weekend has been given the go-ahead by government, but with restrictions, of course. The party series will run from August 5 to 9.
And finally holding the spot this week, Shenzia announced that she has a new manager. Wasim Slavey is the co-founder and current CEO of EXO Records and manager of The Weeknd. Of course, everyone is wondering what is the deal with Ramesh. But when I need to stop with the unnecessary drama, please. Shenzia drops new music this weekend. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, Al takes center stage and a new artist, Tia, drops a brand new video. Intense soon forward.